Hello and welcome. My name is Lexi Jong, and here I like to talk about luxury beauty. And today is just going to be a quick video. I wanted to say thank you to all of you for helping me reach 5,000 subscribers. This has been so much fun. I am really enjoying this journey, and I wanted to say thank you. And I also want to show you what I picked up for myself, kind of as a congratulations type present. So I have a quick unboxing, and then I do want to mention that we do have a few giveaways that we're going to be doing for 5,000 as well. Let's start off with what I picked up for myself. So this is something I've been wanting for a while. I picked it up from Bergdorf Goodman, and I got the last one. So it's very, very happy that the timing worked out, because I was kind of like, well, I'm not going to get it until I hit 5,000. So I purchased this for myself, and I figured we could open it together, and let's go ahead. So it comes in this box. I actually ordered it online because they didn't have it. I mean, I don't have a Bergdorf's right here or anything anyway, but they didn't have it in the store either. So I picked up something from Bottega Veneta. And let me just say that I don't really have like luxury handbags or anything. It's something I've always wanted, but I couldn't resist this. Like, there are some nice dinners and things that I go to and stuff, and I really wanted something nice, kind of classic. I don't like a lot of logos, so I wanted something I could put, you know, my items in without being too big. And this is something that I've been looking at for a long time. So I went to the Bottega Veneta boutique by me, and they didn't have it anymore. So I was able to find the last one at Bergdorf's, and this is it. So it's called the Pouchette. They do have a pouch version of this that's a little bit bigger, but for me, that was a little bit bigger than what I wanted. And I liked this because I don't need to have a wallet or anything with it. So inside, I can fit all of my like credit cards and so forth. And typically when I go to nice dinners, I don't carry too much. Like, I'll carry a lipstick, I'll carry like my ID and a credit card, and you know, nowadays like hand sanitizer and extra mask, but that's about it. So I wanted to have something small and compact, but really functional for me, and this fit the bill. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if any of you guys have this. It is incredibly soft, you know, leather here, and I'm just ecstatic. Can't wait to actually use it and go somewhere with it. All right, so just a few more details about the bag. This is the dust bag that it comes in. You can see it is a pretty long dust bag here. It says Bottega Veneta on it. And this is pretty heavyweight. You can see it's pretty thick, and it is all like this brushed felted cotton type fabric, and inside and outside is very, very soft. So this one here is black gold, and I saw it also came in white. There was white with the gold zipper as well. And this retails for $890 US. And yeah, there is a more expensive version that is a little bit bigger, and it doesn't come with the strap. It's called the pouch instead. This is the Pochette or Pouchette, depending on which site you look at, you know, whether it's the US site or another site. But we do have these woven flaps here, and again, inside you can see that we have the little area to keep these, and it is not lined inside. This is all just going to be, you know, the actual leather, the same that's on the outside. And we do have the verification sticker in here with Made in Italy, Bottega Veneta, and so forth. So just wanted to share my first expensive handbag purchase. I personally love beautiful handbags. I think they are stunning. I would love to have them, but my lifestyle, it's not something that I'm going to collect and spend a ton of money on. But I am interested in picking up a couple of like everyday handbags throughout the year, just to kind of have something nice to carry around that is very functional with my lifestyle. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing more on those in the future. But yeah, very happy with this. And again, thank you so much for your support. Now, as for the giveaways, I have 3 giveaways I'm going to be doing, and they are open internationally, and we're going to do them over on Instagram. So if you're not signed up for Instagram yet, definitely do so. It's definitely a great place to follow me, particularly my stories. If you're following me and you're not looking at my stories, definitely check them out, because that's where I post all of the sales, new releases, restocks, and all of that. All of those things go there first. I do post some of those things on my community tab when I think it's something like really big that everybody's going to want to know, but everything goes on my Instagram stories. So it's definitely a great place to follow me. So you want to follow me on Instagram at Alexis Jong, and you're going to follow the rules on the post. So I have a post going up right now with all of the rules for the giveaways. You can also see photos of the items in the giveaways. So we have a lot of good things. I've got Natasha Denona, we have Surratt, we have Givenchy, we have Dior. You know, there are many items here that are favorites of mine that I want to share with you. So please join me over there and take part in my giveaway, share it with your friends, and thank you so much for all of your support so far. I'm so happy to see how much our community has grown, and I'm really looking forward to seeing our journey continue. So thank you so much for all of your support. I really appreciate it. And again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, join the giveaways. Make sure you follow all of the rules on there. And I know there are plenty of like spammers and things like that happen. So definitely, don't give out any personal information unless you are positive that it is me contacting you, and, I'm not going to do anything sketchy. So please don't, share your address or your phone number or anything like that with anybody. So thank you so much, and I'll see you over on Instagram.